Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the screwdriver voltage tester is the correct type and voltage range for the circuit. Once done, wear insulated gloves and remove metal jewelry to reduce shock risk. Next, hold the metal cap with one finger. This completes the internal circuit. Then touch the tip to the conductor you suspect is live. If the neon glows or LED lights, the line is live. If not, it's likely neutral or dead. Make sure to keep steady contact for a clear reading. Once the basic live check is done, verify the tester on a known live source to confirm it functions correctly. This prevents false negatives. Then methodically probe the outlet. Touch the tip to the hot slot, then to the ground or neutral, noting relative brightness or absence of light. If the indicator is dim or flickers, it can mean high impedance, shared neutrals, or poor contact. Make sure to compare readings and confirm with a second test point. To finish, turn off or isolate the circuit and repeat the test to ensure the conductor is truly de-energized before touching. Then clean and store the tester. If the indicator seems weak or intermittent, retire the tool. If you encounter a dim or unstable glow during earlier checks, that's the one key troubleshooting sign. It often indicates high impedance or backfeed. In that case, do not rely on the screwdriver tester alone. Use a multimeter or contact a qualified.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.